Hello, this is Stu Sensei from Duck Academy here to hit you up with today's phrase, which is this. I have no idea. This phrase is a great phrase to use when you don't know the answer to something. In fact, a simpler form of this phrase is I don't know. Yeah, simple, right? But I have no idea has a much stronger emphasis. That means I have no idea is stronger when you say it. If you say I have no idea, that means you 100% don't know the answer to the question being asked. Now I'm going to give you some more phrases that have a similar meaning to I have no idea. I haven't the foggiest. I have no clue. I couldn't say. I wouldn't know. Your guess is as good as mine. All these phrases are great to use when you don't know the answer to something. But remember, saying sorry before answering will be a good idea as well. For example, sorry, I have no idea. I hope this was helpful and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!